In this guide, we're going over how you can go ahead and equip a boombox here in Evade. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on the main menu right here, what you need to go ahead and do is actually make your way over to this little boombox section right here. Selected, you're going to see the option to get a boombox in the first place. You definitely need to obviously have a boombox in order to do this, so make sure you have a boombox. But from here, go back to the main menu and you actually need to go over to the inventory section and switch to the cosmetics tab. Now, for whatever reason, my mouse is not showing up, so try and ignore that, but essentially switch over to the cosmetics tab, and once you're in the cosmetics tab, you need to go ahead and find the boombox and equip it to any of these cosmetic slots. So essentially go ahead and put it on one of these options, and of course then after you do that, it'll go ahead and appear. And of course I can't select anything right now, but yeah, it'll go ahead and appear and you're good to go. If you are on a PC, you just have to press G to open up the emote wheel and then select Boombox, enter in your music ID, and you're good to go. On mobile, you just open up the inventory, enter in your music ID, and you're good to go as well. That is the entire process. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.